In today's fast-paced world where mobility and collaboration are essential, iPads have become indispensable tools. Their portability and versatility empower us to consume information in real time, enhance communication, and facilitate seamless collaboration. In educational settings, shared iPads foster collaborative learning experiences, enabling students to access resources and track their progress seamlessly. Meanwhile, in enterprises, shared iPads empower frontline workers, facilitating efficient collaboration and boosting productivity across departments. However, with the convenience of shared iPads also come significant security concerns. Enterprises and educational institutions alike face the challenge of ensuring data security while leveraging the benefits of shared devices. Microsoft's identity platform, through the Microsoft Authentication Library, provides a robust solution for secure authentication on shared iPads, safeguarding sensitive information on Microsoft ecosystem without compromising user experience. But the security landscape evolves, and innovative solutions are required to stay ahead. IDmelon steps in as the next-generation security enhancement for shared iPads. By enabling users to sign in with passkeys, IDmelon eliminates the vulnerabilities associated with traditional username and password systems. Administrators benefit from centralized management and streamlined user enrollment, enhancing overall security posture. Experience the future of secure collaboration with shared iPads and IDmelon, where mobility meets unparalleled security. For more insights and informative videos about shared iPads, visit IDmelon's YouTube channel.